Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking to you about how to make a wedding caricature in ChatGPT and Gemini with original image. Alright, so first you need to grab a clear high-res photo from the big day. Right, so you upload your photo to GPT-4o. You can use the viral identity prompt, which I will give you, but first let's upload the files. Alright, so this will be my sample photo, and now the prompts. Now we just choose a thinking model. You can go better if you wish, and this is the prompt, and then submit. So this can be used in both Gemini and of course ChatGPT, it doesn't matter. And then if you want to use the Gemini Pro, you upload it to Gemini and activate the Nano Banana. So for this, don't forget you will need a subscription first. And then the prompts can be used as various, but in general, let me give you one. So this is the example prompt. As you can see, it's quite long, and replace this glasses and hair color, for example, with your own. And also in Gemini 3 Pro, you can upload up to 14 reference images at once. Upload your venue and your outfit separately to ensure every detail of the face or the tuxedo is pixel perfect in the final render. And of course, as a result, you should have something like this or close to it. So your wedding memories reimagined. If this guide helped you create something special today, hit that like button and subscribe.